G'day folks, well this is the good dryer, and what I was telling you about the belt being knackered and those idler pulleys, well check this out. There's your pulley, and as you can see it's actually completely snapped. It's completely broken. And obviously I was right, because I knew it had been cracked before and the skin had worn down that. And obviously the belt is just simply decided it would hop straight off and smash itself up. So you can see in the bottom there's all this fluff on the belt, and so it's just chewed itself up, and there's the belt. Belt is knacked. Right, don't ever expect to use that belt again. And on the drum, that's how the shaft should be. Right, nice and clean, apart from the belt's knackered. So as I said, I'll rip the motor out and replace it with the other motor, which is that one there. As I said on the drum, the shaft is fucked. So, yes, this is a good dryer. So, yeah, right. See you later.